run a few errands. Figure I'd do a little Sunday drive. Take you guys with me. Like I said before, I'm gonna start doing more driving videos for the YouTube channel here. Also, we have the new Facebook page for M2 BlackEagle. So go check that out. It's M2 BlackEagle on Facebook. Go give that page a like. Also, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so you'll be in a loop when I post new videos like this. My channel is based off car content, sneaker reviews, and money tips. So if you're into those three type of topics, this is the channel for you. Once again, today's video is about car content, just a little POV drive action with the BlackEagle. Thank you guys for tuning in. So let's get to it. So yeah, I figured, I hit you guys some more driving videos, POV action. So you guys let me know. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of modifications to BlackEagle here in the near future. I got a whole modification list set up. Look like I&D is about to get a lot of money from me. So yeah, so I got a lot of things coming up for the car. In the comment section below, you guys let me know, give me some modification suggestions from you guys. I'll check that out, look into some things. I got a suggestion the other day. I uploaded a video of the BMW M Performance floor mats, and I did a review on that, so go check that video out if you get a chance. I'll put the link somewhere up above me right now, so you can go check that video out. Or when you're done watching this video, go check it out. But yeah, I done a review on those floor mats, and somebody gave me a suggestion of some I&D BMW M floor mats that are black with the blue stitching, and so I think I'm gonna check those out, see if I like those, and then give my thoughts on those. Also, a couple people actually mentioned that the floor mats I got are great for black cars or silver cars or black and white cars, but not so much for the other color BMW M2s like the Laguna Blue and things of that nature. And after looking at it, I would have to agree. I agree with you guys. I think the floor mats that I got are definitely meant for like a black or a white car, or possibly, like I said, don't know the color of the M2 competition. I think it's like a silverish color.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But I'm not sure of the exact name. You guys let me know in the comment section below. I'm pretty sure. But yeah, I would have to agree with y'all. I think these floor mats are definitely meant for those three color types. But yeah, like I said before, I got a whole list of modifications coming. Hope you guys stay tuned for those. You're gonna really enjoy it. I know I am. I'm not gonna enjoy spending all this money. So if anybody want to do a sponsorship, yo, holla at your boy. Holla at your boy. But either way, we're gonna get it done. I'm gonna take you guys through the process of the build for BlackEagle. Definitely gonna be a lot of carbon fiber involved. Definitely that. So yeah. So if you guys also want to donate to the channel, there's a link below to donate to the channel. But you don't have to. That's if you guys want to. Like I said, there's no ads on the channel. So I pretty much do this for the love, for the fun. I just love cars, so. And then I figure I'd make some good car content out of it. So if you guys, all I ask you guys really do is hit that subscribe button for your boy, so I can share my experience with you guys, So I appreciate you guys, especially all the love I've been getting on IG lately. Really appreciate that, BlackEagle. So keep it coming. I'll keep spreading the positivity with you guys. You guys got some great cars on IG, man. I tell you, great cars, great car photos. Met some pretty cool people so far. So yeah, let's keep that going. And the world needs more positivity, I tell you. So really been enjoying that. Y'all hear Eagle? Woo-wee. was saying before, got a good amount of mods coming. A lot of carbon fiber parts. Some things I thought to be pretty cool. I'm looking at some BBS rims. So thinking about adding that to the whip. So we'll see. There's a couple BBS rims that caught my attention. If you guys got some suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. You guys got some good ideas for some BBS rims or any other brand, leave it in the comment section below. Your ideas. Yeah, so we're definitely gonna be working on some things on BlackEagle. I'm thinking about possibly getting a wrap. I don't know about a wrap though, because I love the color of the car, the black sapphire. I love this color, absolutely love it. So it's kind of hard for me to actually put a wrap on it in my mind because I'm just in love with the color. And of course, if I did do a wrap, it'd be black, some form of black, because it's BlackEagle. I mean, can't do any other colors really, and I'm okay with that. But yeah, so I'm thinking, I don't know about the wrap. I'm not sure. You guys let me know. Should I wrap the car? Maybe like a matte black or something, satin black. You guys let me know. Or should I just keep black sapphire going? Just keep this paint job, because the paint, oh my goodness, black sapphire is such a beautiful color. Beautiful color. But yeah, like I said, the comment section, you guys, just flood the comment section with your guys' thoughts and opinions. But I figured I'd just take you guys on a ride today. Sunday driving. I appreciate you guys riding with me. Let y'all hear Eagle a little bit. Yeah, I just want to thank you guys for tuning in to Richuals. I think I said I was going to take you guys on a little short drive today. Next time I'll take you guys on a longer route. Probably do like a night drive with you guys. I'm going to try to do some more POV videos, just driving around, showing you guys around Phoenix, just Arizona period. I see it's a lot of car enthusiasts out here in Arizona. Like I said, I just joined a couple car clubs. Should be doing some rallies here real soon with them, and I'll be filming that experience. I've done one before, which is pretty cool. I'll put the link to that video somewhere up here so you guys can check that out. But I hope you guys are enjoying your Sunday. Thank you for tuning in to Richuals. This is car content with the BlackEagle, my 2018 M2. Give BlackEagle, the car, a follow on IG at M2_BlackEagle if you haven't done so already. If you're coming from the IG page to the YouTube channel, thank you guys for your support. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell so you will be in the loop when I post new videos like this. With that being said, I'm out. Peace.